Are you looking to remove the watermark from your video on InVideo AI for free? I'll show you exactly how to do it quickly and easily. Search for the InVideo AI website. Navigate to the video you want to export and click on it. The website will add another watermark, this time with InVideo AI branding. Search for a reliable online AI watermark remover. Upload your video file to the tool. Adjust the eraser size to fit the watermark area. Click Remove Objects and let the AI do the work. Sit back, grab some popcorn, and wait for the process to complete. Once it's done, you can watch the video, no watermark in sight. The free version of most AI watermark removers only allows you to remove watermarks from 1 minute of video at a time. If you're working with longer videos, this can be tedious and time-consuming. If you need quick and high-quality results, I strongly recommend investing in an InVideo AI plan. You'll save time and effort while producing professional videos with ease. If this guide helped you, consider supporting me by hitting the like, comment, and subscribe button. More useful tips and tricks are coming soon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.